He might tell you that, man, I can have fun, I can have sexual intercourse with a lot of people. What's wrong with that part? Why should I get married? For example, if I married a person, I have to be very responsible person, but I don't want that. I want novelty, freedom. And what's going on here? Yeah? It's coming here all the time.
2 मिनट में एडजस्ट करूँ वो वाला.
हाँ नहीं done done Aziz. If it doesn't work, then I'll tell you. So people might turn around and say that, man, I don't care about marriage and all. These are outdated things. Today I have fun. I can go. I love novelty. I love something new, fun, enjoyment. We are high on drugs. We enjoy a lot, for example. So they might turn around. They say, why should we get married? We can enjoy our life. We can have fun. We can. There are a lot of prostitution centers, lodges available. We have dating application nowadays. We can go and hook up. So what's wrong with that part, man? You are talking about survival, procreation. I can do illegally. What's wrong
Okay.
with that?
Well, to
Yes.
be frank, answer to your question that there
Okay.
are many ways. You
Yes.
said right, but there are some in religion perspective. If I
Yes. Yes.
answer this question, so it will be like that that whether it is a haram relation or
Okay.
whether it is a halal relation. But let's not go there.
Yes.
Answer in a logical way.
Yes.
So there are many ways nowadays.
Mm.
There are many things that we can enjoy our life. We can spend time with a person whom I don't know as well,
Mm.
but I can with them. I can enjoy my time. I
Yes.
can
Right.
enjoy my sexual life,
Right. Sexual fantasies or
fantasies and all.
fetishes.
I can satisfy with my. I can satisfy with them
Okay.
myself, but these are not good in
Mm.
nature wise as well, and in practical life as well. Because in my opinion, I think so that whether a person is spending time on this kind of
Yes.
relations and all, so they are ruining themselves.
Mm-hmm.
They are wasting their time.
Right.
Whether if the person is doing it in a correct way, like if he is going in a legal way, he is marrying, he is getting married
Right.
with a person, with a lady whom he is loving to, and he is continuing his life with
Okay.
that woman, and he is doing whatever he wants to.
See, Didi, what's here is a flawed logic here. For example, somebody might say we have a contract based marriage, we have open marriages. Open marriages means